Hello, my name is Joseph Romulus Torres. You can call me Joseph. I am the coach, head ng street dance of FEU Dance Company.
Pwede kong ibahin yung movement niya. Pero ito lang yung intention ko. Plus relax, relax.
Basically, the class intention was to mainly focus on being intentional, having more patience, delve deeper on musicality, and being familiar with textures. Yun yung parang doon nag-revolve yung class ko.
I am a good girl.
Actually, sobrang nakakatuwa yung mga students kasi alam mo they're really into it. They really want to learn yung mga bagong texture, mga bagong knowledge na kinikater ng teacher, which I catered earlier sa class. Parang super eager nila to learn. And merong ilan na medyo nahihiya pa, ayaw pa lumabas sa comfort zone nila. Pero you know that they're still trying. It just goes to show na we have to keep on doing, keep on practicing, keep on rehearsing. Kasi nga, before we master it, we have to rehearse, and repeat on doing what you need to do. Ayun. Tapos, nangyari sa class, there are people who stepped up, there are people who tried new things, and there are people who keep asking questions, which is a good thing sa class. Kaya, sobrang nakakatuwa lang yung class. Sobrang nabusog ako na kahit in a span of almost 3 hours, dami namin nagawa. Feel ko what matters the most is showing up. Kasi even though na kahit pinamanifest natin na gusto kong gumaling, I want to really learn this, yung manifestation mo, baliwala siya if you don't take an action. We keep on dreaming, we keep on pursuing this, pero if nagkukulang tayo sa sarili natin, if kulang yung efforts na binibigay natin, hindi tayo pwedeng maging dependent on just wanting to achieve those. Kaya super thankful ako for people who showed up, people who gave all their best. Yun lang. Okay.